So now this is very important question. Okay, now second thing is how you can define an ACL. Okay, one is role, second one is a condition. Okay, third one is a script. So script is mainly we use script is like okay generally now maximum we use this kind of script now. Okay, GS. Okay, get property of property name. Okay, some property name ABC. Okay, if the property have some value equal to true, then allow it. What it will do is system properties are can be managed. See here, yesterday we seen something. Okay, who can administrate system properties? Who can manage system properties?
System underscore admin, sir.
Admins.
Okay, answer is admin. Okay, but non-admin cannot access or non-admin cannot update or manage the system properties. Huh? When you say admins, that means yes, right? Okay, the answer is no. Okay, system properties can be managed by others also. See here, I just say create new. Okay, and here you have something called read role, write role. Okay, I will create a property. Just see this scenario, ma. This is very important scenario. Okay, I'll just say test prop. Okay, and then value true and false. I'll say like this. Okay, now I will say true. Okay, and I'm calling the system property from my ACL. Okay, if it is true, then make this particular field mandatory or accessible, read only, whatever you want to do. Okay, now the system property value is this one. Okay, save it. Now next thing is who manages it. I will give a role here. Read role, maybe read is ITL. Okay, write is ITL, or some specific role also you can give. Okay, so now save it. So these people from now onwards, these people can see this property and write this property. So the write means they can change the value. Okay, so now if they say false, this ACL will not work. If they say true, the ACL will work. Okay, as a developer, you configure ACL and leave this one to them. Okay, so they will control it. You no need to. It's like a just a data change. They no need to come to a developer and then say. Okay, even this is one instance. Maybe you don't want to give, but you want to control the values from system property. If the system property value is this one, then do accordingly. Okay, either way, you are not changing the ACLs oftenly, but you are controlling the result of ACL from system property. Either way, you do as an administrator, or you give this particular thing to some other people, they will administrate. But you are doing things, you are controlling things using a script, and the script is getting from outside. So this is the third thing. You got this point? Yes, no, no. Okay. So let's say Sridevi Garu and Sunita Garu are one application owners. They have one role. Okay. And they will come up and say, I want to control the ACL. Okay, whenever we want it. So what we do is we create an ACL and then we will create one property. Okay, the property we will keep it like we will keep their role here. Okay, and then we will tell them like okay, there is backend ACL is created and we will tell if you want it, make it true. If you don't want it, make it false. Okay, they have access to this property. Okay, we will tell that. Then as the application owners, they have control. They don't come to us very oftenly. If they want it, they will say true. If they don't want it, they will say false. If they do true, it will enable, it works. If they say false, it will disable, it will not work. This is the meaning. Is that clear now? Either they,
Sir,
yes, no.
here we are giving the access to the particular role, right?
Ah,
Instead of roles, can we assign that access with users
no,
directly?
We don't have option here. See here. Do you have any option?
By script.
Where is the script, ma? Where we have script here? Nothing, no script. No, that's it. We have only one option. That's it. In the system property page, we don't have any script, no. That's it. We have only one role. Use this role to either give the accesses. Right now?
Right, got it.
Yeah.
So, sir, the script which we will be writing, for example, for this system property, on that particular ACL of system property, we have to write the
Yes, ma.
script,
Yes,
right?
yes. You are used. Yeah. Yes, ma.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Good. Any questions? Any questions, please?
Sir, in the previous example, you have taken one table example and you have showed those four ACLs. So, in real time scenarios, means will they also give that create this table and these are the roles should be accessible only for these roles. This should be accessible, something like that.
In real-time scenario, maximum you don't create ACLs. You will be using the existing ACLs. Okay, that's for sure. But when you are doing on ACL level, you need to know exactly what you are doing. So when you are giving something means it will not do something else. You are giving true here means it will be making false to others. Okay, that means what is I am giving access to ITL people means okay, it is removing access for non-ITL users. So those things you have to very properly test it. You may change the existing ACLs or you may need to create a new ACL also. Depends on your requirement.
So that's what, sir. Will they provide us these details, or if in case they are not giving those details, then how to take decisions, sir?
Which details?
Like this table level, what you have created, same example.
They will give you, ma.
Like
They will
if
give you. Yes, they will give you. They have to give. If not, then it will be global. No, everyone can access it. They will give you restrictions. Everything they will give you. What level of restriction you want to give? Table level or field level or form level, record level, and all that you need to do it. That and all it will come.
okay, sir.
You got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Their instructions will be very clear, ma. Without their instructions, no, these and all these and all not your decisions. Okay, they will be part of this table. What do you say? These are all part of the requirement. You take the requirement, then you develop it. Don't worry about it. Okay, but you need to know whether you are writing right or wrong. That and all you need to have strong mind when you are creating an ACL, changing the ACL and all.
Sir, like while doing any customization on the existing table, sir, no need to check these ACLs, no, sir.
That means what, ma?
Suppose this table which you have created now,
Uh-huh.
suppose on this particular table some other modifications or something is coming for development, then no need to check ACLs
How can we say,
or
ma? Maybe if something required with the ACL level, then you have to do, no?
if something particularly means if it is like ACL requirement or some changes has come, then ACL. If not, no need to touch that area.
Why we will touch?
Or that answers my questions.
First, first of all, why you touch my? See, you ask me one question, okay? You will ask, sir, what is update set? Then I will tell import set. Will you agree? No, no. Yeah, that answered your question. It's fine. I know.
No, no, as this looks very critical thing which means before touching
Hmm.
this area we should think, so that's the reason I
See,
asked.
when you get the requirement, you will get what exactly needs to be done, ma. See, now whatever we assume, na, they may be right or wrong, but when you have a requirement, proper requirement, then you exactly go and do the customizations, whatever you do, and then you also test it properly. That time you will get control, full control. Now we are all in confusion, right? We know something and
True,
we
sir.
don't know where
Yes,
we
we
will
are
apply it
assuming.
actually. Yeah. So that's why we need the work practice also. Okay. So when you do practice, that time you will get full control, and then later you will improve a lot. You only see and then assume, no, your our mind will be like little confusing. You got it, huh? Yeah,
Yes.
please practice it. Okay, whatever we see, na, practice it, and one field level, one table level, those things and all you just see. Okay, and now why admins have every control? So see here, admins can do create, read, write, delete on any table, na? How? So there should be some ACLs, right? Agree? You got it, huh? No, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So see here, star. Okay, star. Star. Then why the oh, star came all? Give me 1 second. So to admins. How to get admins? Just say just a delete. Give me 1 second. Delete. 2000. Hmm. Okay, this one. This one I want it. Delete. 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 Okay. So see here in the system. Okay, one create is there, read is there, write is there, delete is there, and these and all, okay, all take record level. Okay, 10 are there. Okay, in 10 maybe repeat will be there, delete, and 2 will be there. Okay, 2 or 3 whatever it is. Create, just open this one and delete this one. Open delete one also. Okay, and open read one also. Something. Okay, everywhere star means all the tables, all the records, all the tables, whatever you call it as. Okay, star create, and here you should have admin. So like this, you have four what you say, four ACLs that allows everyone, every table, so that users can start getting the things. So admin can able to control it, either create, either delete, either update, either read. Okay, why system administrator will have full access, because there are four ACLs already configured. Because of that, they are getting access. You got it, ma? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. So this is and all about ACL, ma. All the important questions. What is ACL? What role it is required to create ACL? Okay, and those and all important. And star, none, field name. What are them? Okay, that is also important. So if you want to, in ACL also there are types of ACL. We seen only record, but here we have some other types also. Okay, not that much important, but there is something called list. Where is list? List. For list view, I will see. Okay, I mainly we use this one, but there is something for list also that I think I need to verify. Okay, basic questions, go from basic questions, man. Don't confuse. That's it. How you control the ACLs, how you define the ACLs using three: role, condition, script. Can you give one example for script? Take this script example. If you want to see more, just go to ACL table. Okay, refer something where you have script. What is this field? Script field. Hmm.
That list is there in operation field.
Uh-huh. Okay. List. Yeah, listed it. So when you say listed it, now operation, this is like on list view is there, na? On table level list view. If you want to restrict something, then you do like this. I even don't know. Maybe I need to refer it, but this list is for that. Okay, there are few more listed it, report view, something and all. Okay, just to see some videos, ma. Okay, just to see some ACL videos. Keep these things in mind and then try. If you can get some knowledge, yeah, it will be good. Or else, just to get it to me, maybe we'll review and then see. In case if it is confusing. Clear? But these are the basic questions on ACLs. Till this point, at least you be strong. And in case if you get some extra thing, maybe you just say I don't know. One more thing you will get it, execution order. Okay, let's say you have one ACL, you have one client script, you have one UA policy. All are doing mandatory. Okay, then which one will work? That is one question. Okay, which one will run first? Which one will run next? That is one question. Which one will be the final one? Okay, so there is something called execution order. You see that execution order, which one will run first? Now that and all you see first. Okay, then you will understand which client script is first, UA policy next. That order you will get it. Okay, now second thing is, uh, let's say you have two ACLs. One is doing false, one is doing true for the same user. Then which one will work? True always will work. Okay, someone asked this question in my YouTube comments. Okay, it will work true. If one grant means it's grants. Is that clear, ma? Yes, no?
Yes, sir,
Yes.
but interviewer directly asked to justify it.
Interview directly ask what, ma?
Justify this statement he directly asked, na, sir. How we can justify that? True will.
Justify means give me one system. I will create one AC, two ACLs on the same field, same table. One I will make it true, one I will make it false. Then I will show you something I need to tell. We need to tell like this. Justify means what is the proof, ma? Yeah.
Okay.
You need to just tell in a way like, okay, give me one. If you say justify, then maybe just I can show you if you can provide me an instance or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So justify in the sense create two ACLs. Okay. Just select a table. Okay. Just select a field. Let's something like this. So what does it mean is see here. Maybe in other words, where is that one? Where is that ACL which we said we changed? Okay. Say see this one. Okay. Delete operation. You are saying okay. No, delete, not delete operation. Write or something we said. Read, write, whatever it is. Okay. Create. Okay. Let's say like not create, write. No, write. So here you are mentioning okay, ITL user, forget about all these things, ma. This one, forget about it. ITL only you kept it. Okay, you kept ITL here, you saved it. Okay, so it is true. Create one more ACL, right? Table, details, and you don't select ITL here. You select something else. Means from here it is false. You got it, huh? When you don't mention anything means it does reverse also. So you have one ACL where it mentioned ITL true. You have another ACL where you didn't mention ITL. So it is false. Then if you log into this page and then try to log in with ITL and then try to write it in this one, then it will allow you. That is called justification. You got it, Amma? Whoever asked this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Right. That's it, Ma. Yeah. Repeat the question, Ma. So when
Sir.
you check this particular one, admin override, right? So
Yes,
even
sir.
if you mention admin here or not in the roles, okay, now right now this is working for ITL people, this is working for these people. Also, this will work for admin people also. You got it?
I mean, sir, even if it is uncheck that override.
Uncheck means it will not, this particular access will not come for admin people. The right
Yes,
access
sir.
will not, right access to this table, this to this field, not to this particular ACL.
Okay.
Your question is like, okay, sir, if I uncheck this one, next time onward, the ACL cannot be edited by admin. Huh? No, not that
Yes, sir.
one.
Yes, sir.
The access, the
Okay.
access.
To this particular
Yeah,
field.
yeah,
Okay.
right.
So in that ACLs, can you go to the next tab, sir?
Give me 1 second. ACLs, yeah.
Here below, there is three types. No, sir. Means that one is for roles, and one is condition, one is script. If for one ACL, if you need to put anything, we need to use at a time only one thing, or we can use the three things.
You can use three things also, ma. If you are, see, yes, you can keep three things also. Depends on your situation. Maybe using all three, it is like a complex scenario. We are
Mhm.
making too much complex. Depends on the
Okay.
exact scenario. No comments. If you have that kind of scenario, you have to do all of them. Then you have to do yes. No other option.
Okay, sir. That's it.
Sir, what is the flow ACL runs? I got this question, sir. I didn't understood exact actually question
There is
at that
something
point of.
that is even always confusing part. It runs on table level and then it runs on field level. Runs on record level. That is a flow. ACL flow. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. I will check it more. There is a diagram also for this. ACL. This one, not this one. Similar like this one. This one. Yeah. Record request object. Find size and rule. Okay. ACL name. Table name. So this is the flow. First it will check on table level. Okay, and then field level. Okay, and then if you see here, no, this is table level. Okay, this is the first thing, and then it will go to field level. Okay, that is the answer. The flow in the sense first it will check on table level and then it will check on field level.
Okay, sir.
Okay, simply cut like this. And if they ask me deeper question, you say no, I don't know. But that is that is the answer.
Okay, sir.
It is run from generic to specific, sir.
Generic to specific. What does it mean?
Okay. If we give the ACL for task dot star and task dot field name, which will run first to the question like that. In that time, we can give task dot field name will first
No, no,
exit
no, no.
first.
Task that star will run first. Table level will run first. Let's okay. The question maybe take like this. ACL, three ACLs are there. Okay, one ACL is a table dot none. Okay, and then second ACL is table dot field, and third ACL is table dot star. Okay, which one will run first? Table level one will run first. Means none will run first. We are clear, right? Yes, yes or no? Sunita garu, yes or no? You are getting it, ma? Whoever asked the question, maybe you got it.
ఇంకా అతను టేబుల్ డాట్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్ ఎగ్జిట్ ఫస్ట్ అని చెప్పారు
టేబుల్
సార్.
డాట్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుందమ్మా, సెకండ్ లెవెల్లో వస్తుంది. టేబుల్ డాట్ నన్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. టేబుల్ లెవెల్ అంటే ఇక్కడ కదా, టేబుల్ డాట్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ
ఓకే
సెకండ్ లెవెల్ కదమ్మా. యు గాట్ ఇట్.
ఓకే
Okay, let me
ఓకే
ask the question. Okay, which one will run first? Table dot none or table dot field? Table dot none will run first, and then table dot field will run next. Right?
ఓకే.
Okay. Any other questions? Any questions, please? Okay, looks good. Okay, ma. That's it, huh? Hello. Okay. Shall we end, ma?